Good morning, students. Now CMST HS2ndyr we are doing permutation and combination. Now combination we have started. Exercise 2.2 is going on. 2.2b. Today we will do question number 9 of this one. 9 they have said there are 11 questions in a question paper. 11 questions is there. How many ways a student can answer 6 questions if question number 11 is compulsory? So you see that how to do this sum. 2.2b, question number 9. 11 questions are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So these are the question papers. And a student have to answer 6 questions. Optional answers are optional questions are there, but 11 so mandatory. So he has to do answer of how many? 6. 6 questions he has to do, but it is mandatory to do the question number 11. So 11 is 1, so he has to do as 11. Their remaining questions are what? 10. Out of this he can select in 5 things. So of course required way will be what? Out of this 10 he has to select 5, because 11 number question already he has placed in sum. He has to do, it is mandatory to do, but remaining things this way. So you see that this can be written as 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 things, 5 terms divided by 5 factorial. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. So this. So we get it is so 252 ways he can do if question number 11 is compulsory. Next question, that is 9.2. From 6 teachers and 5 students, a committee of 6 is formed. 7 teachers, 5 students. Committee have to form. In how many ways this can be done? First condition they have given, at least 3 students should be there. So you see that 9.2 how to do. So we can arrange this. Here number of teachers are 7 teachers and 5 students. Committee of 6 members we have to collect. 6 numbers committee having 6 numbers. Then we can do at least 3 students should be there. Number of students should be more than 3. So required number, if we take 3 students out of 5, if we select 3, we need 6 numbers committee. Then remaining 2 will come from these 7 teachers. So is it clear that I have taken 3 students from 5 students? So it is 5C3 we can take. We need 6 number of committee, so remaining 6 also we have to take, and it is from 7 teachers. At least means we can take number as more students. So automatically number of teacher we have to decrease. Then we can take 5C5 into 7C1. Then it is 336, 426, 5 plus 1, 6. 532 is 5 into 4 divided by 2. 7C3 is 7 into 6 into 5 divided by 3 into 2. Plus 5C4 is 5 and 7C2 is 7 into 6 by 2. 5C5 is 1, 7C1 is 7. So students, after multiplication 3 to the 6, 5. So it is 10 and 3350 plus, so 105 it is, then 7 only. So answer is, after calculation, it will be 462. So this way we can do 3 students, 3 teachers, 4 students, 2 teachers, 5 students, 1 teacher. This way we can prepare this one. Next, we do question number 3 of 9. Question number 3 says that at most 4 teachers should be there. Our 7 teachers, 5 students, committee of 6 numbers. Then, if we take at most 4 teachers, maximum 4 teachers, then required number will be 7C4. Out of 7 we have taken. So automatically, as we need 6 numbers committee, so it will be 5C2. Then maximum teacher is 4, so we can take little less also, 7C3 into 5C3, because 6 numbers are there. Then 7C2 we can take, and here we can increase the number because 4 plus 2 6 should be there. Then we can take 7C1 into 5C5 maximum. Now we cannot do more than this one. 7C4 is 7 into 6 into 5 divided by 3 into 2. 5C2 is 5 into 4 by 2. 7C3 and this one same. So 7 into 6 into 5 by 2. 5C3 is 5 into 4 by 2. 7C2 is 7 into 6 by 2. 5C4 is 5. And 7C1 is this is 1. 3 to 6, 2 to 4. So we can say this is 350. This is 2 to 4. We can get. So it is 0, 5, 1, 0, 5, 0. 7C3 is, oh sorry, here 3 should be there. And this is the 2 only. So 3 to just 6 also. So it is 3, 5. Here it is 2, 3, just 6. 105. And this one is 7. So 2. So ultimate it will be 7C2 is 7 into 6 by 2, 5. This one is 5C4 is 5 factorial by 4 factorial, 5 minus 1, so it is this. So we get this one as 7 into 7 maximum, so this one we can get, and ultimately 77. So it is a little bit wrong. It is this one 1 and 1 and 812. At most 4 teachers. This means maximum 4 teachers. So we will decrease the number of teachers. Next, then say majority of students. Majority of students means that maximum students if we take, then what will be the result? So if we take maximum students, maximum to 5. If we consider this one, the required number will be 5C5. Then automatically 7C1 we have to take. 5C5 so we can take in 1 is 7C1 is factorial 7 so it is majority of students means this is one way we can do. Then we can take 5C4 7C2 then 5C3. So that way we cannot take. Majority should be greater than this. So it is 1 into 7. 5C4 is actually 5. 7C2 is 7 into 6 by 2. So it is 7 and this one is 5 and 105. So it is 112. That's the answer. Majority of students we can do like that. And last part is a team of 8 players is to be selected out of 8 boys and 6 girls. If exclusion of a particular girl and inclusion of particular boy is guaranteed, how many ways we can select if it contains 3 girls? So last part of this question of 9, little tricky also and little you have to use your brain. So that's why we can do, otherwise you cannot do this sum. So our last one, 9-3, 8 players to be selected, 8 players, 8 boys and 6 girls, 8 boys and 6 girls. And exclusion of particular girl, one girl you cannot take. So number of girls now becomes 5. And inclusion of a particular boy, one boy you have to always take. That is, out of these 8 players, one player already is reserved from this one. So number of boys will decrease and number of players also now will decrease if we play. Then how many ways selected? If it contains 3 girls only, so required number 3 girls. Out of this inclusion, that is 3 girls, 1 girl to we have taken. So out of this 5C2 and team selected if exclusion of a particular girl. So automatically it is 5C3. Why? 1 girl we cannot select. Out of 5, if we take 3 girls, 5C3 ways we can select. And then out of this, now we need what? 8 players. Out of 8 players, already 1 boy is selected. Now 7. Out of 7, 3 girls already taken. So 4 players we have to select, and it is from 7 boys. Of course, it is this. And after this simplification, the result will be what we have to see. 5C3 is 5 into 4 by 2. 7C3 is 7 into 6 into 5 divided by 3 into 2. So 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4, it is 10 into 35. So ultimate result is 350. So students, this is the answer of this one. And I expect you will notice everything. And now you try to do remaining sum. Next we can do this one. Result also given. FA1, I am not happy with the result. Try to do good marks in next one. So that much for today. Give your attendance in the comment box.